Morning boys and girls, Sunday morning, just doing a clean of my filters. I don't know where the sun's gone, but dark clouds up there. Here in Kent, they did say we were due for thunderstorms and heavy rain, so get this done before what happens. Yeah, I noticed the other day on my Oasis Clear Pond 25, the inner chamber has got a split on the box. It's right on the ridge there. Let me try and show you what's underneath. There you go. What a bugger. I don't really want to take all this apart to get access to this, because I know if I do, I know the seals are going to go. I've got no spare seals, obviously, for the pipe work there and the locking nuts there. So I've got to put my thinking head on, try and seal that. I might just try and get a mastic seal underneath there, squirt some mastic on a stick and splodge it on underneath and then go off. So yeah, not a good start. Obviously I've got to sort that out because all the dirty water's probably getting in there, or vice versa. Not doing this job properly. So yeah, that's my job for this morning before it rains. So I'll catch you later. Right, not a tidy job. That's about the best I can get it. CT1. Basically, I got to. Why is it you use CT1? I mean, I don't care if you get it over your hands. So yeah, I've gone on top and I've gone underneath the ridge. So it's sort of like squared up, but yeah, I'll have to let it dry now and see that holds. So yeah, not a good job, but don't know what else I can do. Fingers crossed, should be alright. Cheers. Alright guys, filter back, all up and running. The CT1 did hold out, but been filling up. Did notice another split. The power I showed you was down there, and I've got another one in the back there. So next time, I mean, I'm not too bad. It's only a small one, but whereas that was big, that's a minute leak. So yeah, filters all up, running back in. So that's that progress. So yeah, that's it then guys. So, well, apart from my grapevine this year, didn't produce any grapes. So wait till that dies back. I'm going to cut it right back down, and I will put it over there for next year. That's where the region was, in the corner. So obviously got full direct sunlight plus the warmth of the brick. I think it made a lot of difference. I used to get loads and loads of grapes when it's over there. Because I was obviously getting a patio done, I had to temporarily move it. So yeah, no grapes this year. A bit disappointing, but there you go. The other toms doing quite well this year. So very nice. Carrots, that was hit and miss, but yeah, got a few carrots there. I did have some garlic in there, but they didn't take. Dwarf beans, that's all I've got, but I must admit I did buy those, mate. I did have another one there, but I think the snails or smugs got that. So yeah, the dwarf beans are part of that. Yeah, I know it's dwarf, but I think it's like, yeah, taking a mickey, but yeah, a bit late one there, and chives. So yeah guys, that's it. So as I said, I'm off now for 2 weeks, so I've got that fillet done. Need to do the rest of that, so depending on whether it holds that, I'll get it all finished off and wait until the end of the season where it's going to be dug up, new compost put down. Now we'll make a start on this little area, obviously with the slabs that are left over from the main one. I shall attempt to do that while I'm off. So yeah guys, so I'll just do a quick update, the patch repair on the filter. So yep, that's it. I'll catch you later. Cheers.